صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد صلى الله تعالى عليه وآله وسلم. Sayyid Ayyub Ali Shah rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi has stated that when Aala Hazrat was a child, a teacher used to come to his house and teach him Holy Quran. One day, whilst teaching, the teacher asked Aala Hazrat again and again to utter a word of the Quranic ayah, but he could not articulate in the way the teacher had asked him to do so. The teacher would pronounce the word with a zabar, but Aala Hazrat pronounced the same word with a zair. When Aala Hazrat's grandfather, Maulana Raza Ali Khan rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi, noticed it, he called Aala Hazrat closer and asked someone to bring the Holy Quran so that the correct word could be seen. On seeing the Holy Quran, he discovered that the scribe had mistakenly written a zabr in place of zair. What Aala Hazrat had uttered was correct. His grandfather asked, Ahmad Raza, why did you not utter the word as your teacher had asked you? Aala Hazrat politely replied, I tried to utter as the teacher did, but I felt as if I did not have control over my tongue. Aala Hazrat has himself narrated, there was a teacher of mine I would learn initial level books from. After he taught me the lesson, I would glance at it just once or twice and I would close the book. When he tested me on the lesson, I would repeat the lesson word for word. Surprised to see this situation daily, he once asked me, Ahmad, are you a human being or jinn? It takes me time to teach you, but it takes you no time at all to memorize this lesson. Aala Hazrat replied, all praise to be Allah Azza wa Jal. I am a human being. However, I have been blessed with the benevolence and bounty of Allah Azza wa Jal. Dear viewers of Madani Channel, may Allah Azza wa Jal have mercy on him and forgive us without accountability for his sake. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.